energizing your soul through the inspired Word of God. This is your daily devotional reading.
Our Daily Bread, November 12th. All that was lost by sin is restored. Someone shall enter the pearly gate, by and by, by and by. Taste of the glories that there await. Shall you, shall I, shall you, shall I? Someone will travel the streets of gold. Beautiful visions will there behold. Feast on the pleasures so long foretold. Shall you, shall I, shall you, shall I? All that was lost by sin is restored. Until the Ancient of Days came, and judgment was given to the saints of the Most High, and the time came that the saints possessed the kingdom. Daniel chapter 7, verse 22. But amid the tempest of divine judgment, the children of God will have no cause for fear. The Lord will be the hope of his people and the strength of the children of Israel. Joel chapter 3, verse 16. The day that brings terror and destruction to the transgressors of God's law will bring to the obedient joy unspeakable and full of glory. Gather my saints together unto me, saith the Lord, those that have made a covenant with me by sacrifice. And the heavens shall declare his righteousness, for God is judge himself. Then shall ye return and discern between the righteous and the wicked, between him that serveth God and him that serveth him not. Malachi chapter 3, verse 18. Hearken unto me, ye that know righteousness, the people in whose heart is my law. Behold, I have taken out of thine hand the cup of trembling. Thou shalt no more drink it again. I, even I, am he that comforteth you. Isaiah chapter 51, verses 7, 22, and 12. For the mountain shall depart, and the hills be removed. But my kindness shall not depart from thee, neither shall the covenant of my peace be removed, saith the Lord that hath mercy on thee. Isaiah chapter 54, verse 10. The great plan of redemption results in fully bringing back the world into God's favor. All that was lost by sin is restored. Not only man, but the earth is redeemed to be the eternal abode of the obedient. For 6,000 years, Satan has struggled to maintain possession of the earth. Now, God's original purpose in its creation is accomplished. The saints of the Most High shall take the kingdom and possess the kingdom forever, even forever and ever. Daniel chapter 7, verse 18. This passage was taken from Patriarchs and Prophets, page 341. Our Daily Bread, November 12th.
I encourage you to be ye doers of the word and not hearers only. Thank you for listening, and be sure to join us tomorrow for your daily devotional reading.